Hello everyone. In my last video we have talked about differentiation, and now in this video we will talk about some questions on differentiation. So the first question is, if y is equals to x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m, then prove that x square minus 1 into dy dx whole square is equals to m square into y square. So we have y is equals to x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m. Now let us differentiate both sides with respect to x. Hence the left hand side will be dy dx. Now to differentiate the right hand side, we need to use the chain rule, and for that we will consider this expression as x to the power m. And then the differentiation of x to the power m will be m into x to the power m minus 1. So we can write m into x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m minus n into d dx of x plus root over of x square minus 1, which I assumed as x. Now this differentiation will distribute over the addition, and we can write d dx of x plus d dx of root over of x square minus 1. Now d dx of x is equal to 1, but to differentiate this again we need to use the chain rule. So again we will consider x square minus 1 as x, so this will become root x. Now we know that d dx of root x equals to d dx of x to the power half. Hence according to the formula this will be half of x to the power half minus 1, which will become half x to the power minus 1 by 2, and which will become 1 by 2 root x. Therefore differentiation of root x will be half of 1 by root x. Therefore we can write d dx of root over of x square minus 1 as half of 1 by root over of x square minus 1 into d dx of x square minus 1, which will give 2x here. Now we can cancel both the 2, so the containing factor will become 1 plus x by root over of x square minus 1. Now we can add both the terms, which will give x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole divided by root over of x square minus 1. Now we can take root over of x square minus 1 to the left hand side, and we can multiply these two factors, which will give root over of x square minus 1 into dy dx equals to m into x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m. Now this x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m is nothing but y, as it is given in the question. So therefore we can write this thing as my. Now we will square both the sides and we will get the desired result, that is x square minus 1 into dy dx whole square equals to m square into y square.